Hey guys, Emilio from Bambi Baby, and get ready for this one. Today, we got our hands on a Mockingbird Stroller. How we got it was we had an upset customer who was given a gift and was really unhappy. She really wanted a V2 UPPAbaby Cruz, and she just received a gift. We felt sorry, we took it in on trade, and we're gonna do a comparison to understand why she was so upset. And this is going to get into a lot of little details. The Mockingbird Stroller does satisfy a certain customer, but where we're a little bit at a confusion state is it's not a replacement for a better stroller. It is a copy. And I want to bring in a couple of little details that I feel are extremely important when comparing it, and it's not really portrayed out there. There's no doubt that the UPPAbaby Cruz or any UPPAbaby stroller has much superior quality plastics. Everything around the stroller, the mechanisms are far superior. This feels almost like a plastic fork versus a metal fork. You know, the flexibleness of a plastic fork, the uneasy to move around with it versus a metal fork. That's kind of a good comparison, or a plastic water bottle versus a Yeti cup holder. You know, the rigidity is a lot different. So I want to get into some of the little details that really are bugging me. Number one, the stroller has zero suspension. There's no mobility in the back whatsoever. The canopy has no sun protection, except they give you this to kind of cover it up with some magnets and so on and so forth. Very easy to misplace and to lose or to drop and walk right by. The seat upright is on a really reclined angle, so your child's going to end up pulling themselves up because they're uncomfortable. They're always leaning back. There is not a whole lot of back support here. The seat is a flexible hanging seat with a little piece of cardboard down the middle. Another thing to point out is this adjustable height in the handle. It's a 3-position adjustable height in the handle, meant to go down for lower pushing in medium stage, or all the way in the upright. When it's all the way in the upright, if you're taller, I'm 6 foot, when all the way in upright, I have a tendency of kicking this when I walk. It doesn't get far enough away, so I'm not sure what this top position might necessarily do. The canopy's not moving forward is a big negative to me, only because what they do is they have the zip off. They should have extended it, but all they have is a ventilation piece. Let me point out what that extension really does on a Cruz. This gives you full sun protection when you do that, so there's a big overlap. Another major advantage is here we have full suspension on a Cruz. You know, it's 2.5 to 3 inches of travel on a Cruz, so that as the baby gets heavier, it's easier to push. Let's get into the push. So we brought a 30-pound baby with us, right? This 30-pound baby, when you put it on a stroller, is a key factor because this is how you're going to use it. Now, when I put it onto the stroller, my one-hand opportunity to push becomes almost impossible because I need a lot of force to turn this stroller. Now, mind you, when I put it into a Cruz, I don't. The stroller pushes quite easily and turns quite easily. So the suspension, the wheels, the bearings, all of the features and functions are great. However, this is a particular stroller for a particular price point, not necessarily replacing the quality price point you can buy in a better stroller. So what I feel will happen is a purchase of a Mockingbird stroller will only get you into a secondary stroller or a third stroller quicker. So overall, over the lifetime of owning a stroller, you're going to end up with multiple strollers. When you purchase and invest into one, chances are pretty good this will be your one and done. So this is Emilio from Bambi Baby. If you have any questions, I'm sure you're going to have a bunch, put them down below. We'll start a conversation about it. I'll give you more details about the stroller, about its weight, about its features and functions. Don't forget to DM us. Visit our website, bambibaby.com. Thank you for watching.